It's been more than 15 days since job scam accused Pooja Naik had recorded her statement before the crime branch, naming two government officials for taking bribe from her for providing jobs. But Prudent has learned from the reliable crime branch sources that no corroborative evidence has been found by crime branch in this matter. Due to that, crime branch is not going to register FIR on the basis of allegation or a statement recorded by Pooja Naik. According to crime branch sources, crime branch has already inquired into almost all the angles given by Pooja Naik in her statement, but no substantive evidence has been found against any government official. Though crime branch has not come up with the official statement, but Prudent has learned that almost inquiry is over. Only a few more angles are yet to be probed, but over 90% of the inquiry has been concluded and there is no corroborative evidence to substantiate the allegation made by Pooja Naik. Hence, FIR in this matter will not be registered. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.